Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, TeaTimeStyleTime. Today when I get home, we'll have a unboxing of some Jo Malone samples I ordered. I think I have pear and freesia, a lime and basil or lime and mandarin lotion sample, a wild bluebell sample, and I think magnolia and something else. So I will open the packaging and be more than happy to share what I think about the scents. I have been really hesitant and curious to see what Jo Malone is all about. There's quite a few YouTubers who swear by their perfumes, but it's very expensive, and I wanted to just go with a sample to see if it's something I enjoy or if it's too strong or what it's about. So stay tuned for my reaction.
So the audio from the unboxing was pretty unusable, but as you can see, the Jo Malone samples arrived with a very nice box inside a little shopping bag. There was some tissue, and I was surprised they included so many fun things. This was the look at the magnolia and rose. The next sample is the hand lotion, lime, and mandarin. And again, it's a little bigger than I thought it would be. And wrapped up together were the two 9-milliliter samples of pear and freesia, as well as bluebell. The bluebell was complimentary, and I paid $25 for the pear and freesia sample. I had looked quite a few stores, and the ones by me, Nordstrom and Sephora, unfortunately didn't have the size I wanted in stock. So I will give them a try sometime today or tomorrow and let you know what I think about them. Are they worth the hype? We shall see.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.